Guys, my name is EmemArchibong. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm also a pharmacist. In today's video, I'll be talking about exercise. So how much exercise should we as a people be doing? And also, I'm going to be talking about how to start exercising if you've not started already. I'm also going to talk about the benefits of strength training. So if you'd like to know all this information, please feel free to watch on. So before I go any further, I'd like to please ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends if you found it useful. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So how much exercise should we be doing a week? I'll start off by explaining that the UK government advises that we do 150 minutes of aerobic moderate exercise per week or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week. So for general health and well-being, I would advise that we stick to that. 30 minutes of exercise for 5 days a week is basically 150 minutes of exercise per week. So what I would advise is if it's just for general well-being and to maintain your weights, then stick to that. Best practice is to exercise every day except one day a week. So what I do is I exercise 40 minutes every day except on Sundays. I think having a break is really important. It's good to work out, but it's also good to kind of pace yourself and not burn out. If your goal is to lose weight or to maintain your weight loss, then I would advise that you do 300 minutes of moderate exercise a week. This just means an hour of exercise for 5 days a week. Or what you could do is maybe spread it over 6 days instead of 5 days. So that would mean maybe 40 or 50 minutes of exercise every day except one day per week. This period of just having a rest day is just as important as working out. It's important that you do not burn out. Small bouts of exercise is just as effective as doing long periods of exercise. So if you find that you don't have enough time to do 30 minutes of exercise every day, then what you could do is break it down into 10 minutes bouts throughout the day. So just find 10 minutes. You could even multitask. You could do your squats while you're brushing your teeth, or you could, while boiling a kettle, you could do maybe your sit-ups while you're waiting for the kettle to boil, or while you're waiting for food to cook on a slow cooker. But be careful in terms of fire hazards. And also strength training is really important, I think. Further on in this video, I will talk about the benefits of strength training, especially as you get older. What you may be asking is, so how do I start exercising if I've not been exercising all this time? What I would advise is to start small. So you might want to start off by you don't have to join a gym, but if that is what you need to do to motivate you, because sometimes when you have to spend money, it will motivate you to actually use up the amount that you're spending at the gym. So if you find that joining a gym will help you be motivated, then do just that. If not, little things like going for a walk during your lunch breaks can help in terms of just starting. So just going for a 30-minute walk, and if you walk 5 days a week during your lunch break, that's your 150 minutes done if it's brisk walking. Another way that you can start is to start small. So you could do like 10 or 15 minutes on a treadmill if you have a treadmill at home, or if you go to the gym, and then slowly, as your body gets used to the exercise, you can build up to more. Another thing that you can do is try working out 2 days a week to begin with. So 2 days a week you can go to the gym, 2 days a week you can go swimming or go for a walk or do a dance workout, and then as you start finding that you're enjoying it more, you can build up to 3 days, and then eventually you can build up to 5 days a week of exercising for 30 minutes. So I hope that helps. I have to stress the importance of combining cardio with strength training. So the benefits of strength training is it increases lean muscle, and this is a very metabolically active. It's a lot more metabolically active than fat, and all that means is that your metabolism is increased to the point that even when you're not exercising post strength training, you'll be burning calories at a very high rate, and this is the best way to help you gain muscle, lose fat, and stay lean. Cardio is good in terms of is good for heart health. It burns calories, it decreases stress, and it can boost your mood. And strength cardio is good in terms of also increasing your heart rate and releasing endorphins. Strength is good at releasing endorphins as well, but strength is the deal. If you're trying to become leaner and fitter, you need to be doing strength training so you can build lean muscle. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you can like, comment, subscribe, and share, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. So EmemArchibong, the singing pharmacist, signing out. Have a good day.